guys, welcome to Cosplay Life. I'm Air Bear, and today you are going to be getting ready to go to Atlanta Comic Con with me. So this year we're only going for one day, but there's multiple reasons why, but one of them is because it's the first time that it's been back in a while and we weren't really sure what it was going to be like. We didn't have a place to stay, so we were like, we'll just go down for today. I decided to do Cruella DeVille. So we went to storage, got the Cruella DeVille box out. The main thing that I'm going to be working on today is the wig, but I wanted to go ahead and tell you some of the things that I've already done to get ready. So the first thing, I guess it's not really the first thing. The first thing I did was go ahead and braid down my hair because I'm going to be wearing this wig, which I'm going to be styling today. But some of the other things that I've already done is grab the box, kind of gone through it, repacked some things, checked my cigarette. It looks like, it's a little crumpled, but no one's going to be that close. And I also went through and I kind of fixed my black dress, and I realized that I have improved a lot since I originally made this dress. Because there's some things in here where it's like, oh my gosh. It was shedding all in the middle, so I serged all of the seams, which then kind of made it pucker, but it's whatever. It's not a mess on the inside anymore. I also got my white jacket out, and I never finished sewing it. Yeah, and I'm not going to. But it had some stains on it, so I went through with a little bit of, this isn't a bottle, but I think it was Arm & Hammer Free and Clear. And I dabbed a little bit of that on the places where there was a stain. And then I used a spray bottle and sprayed it down and just dabbed it up using a washcloth. And that seems to have gotten the stains out without bleaching it or staining it. I also steamed the jacket just to see if I could, because I'm gonna pack it back into this box tonight, but I'm gonna steam it tomorrow morning. So anywho, let's get started with the hair. So this is a Rockstar wig. I needed a white one and they didn't have a white one. They just had a gray one. And I was like, we're gonna make it work. So I got a light gray one, and then I got black dye. So I use this to dye she's stuck. To dye the other half of this wig. And I did it in a hot pot, poured some, well, it feels like I poured a lot of it in. Poured a lot of it in, and I separated the hair into pigtails, and then dyed it, dipped it, tried to make sure that I got the roots, and then kept the light part out. And so it ended up not being black and gray, it just ended up being light gray and dark gray, which I was like, it's okay. I'm good with that. So because it has been dyed, I cannot dip it in hot water again without like having to separate the white from the black hair again. So the method I'm going to use to curl it is I'm going to use steam and flat iron. So this wig, I had the back of it in, like I stored it in storage, and it was in a ponytail and it was in its hairnet. So this is my first time taking it out. So the ponytail looks like it did pretty good. I think I want more waves in it. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to check the bangs to make sure they're the right length. All right, I'm gonna use this as a mirror, sort of. Ooh, this is gonna be fun tomorrow. I don't know why I brought you here. It's like I thought I knew what I was gonna do, and now I don't have a clue. I have a flat iron, and right now it's at 250 degrees. Ugh. It smells so good. Okay. Oh, hey, these are a little flat. bump it under. I'm gonna hold it at an angle and, oh, hey, oh my gosh, nice. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to this little bit of hair. Bump it under. It was better off before. If it's curved, then it won't be in my eye as much. I know this is probably not the actual way to do bangs, but this is just the way I like it. Okay, let's do this side now. Oh, this side needs some help. Let's comb the rest of this. So I just took the ends and wrapped them back up around the rest of it. So I'm not sure what that's gonna turn out like. I like the bigger waves, but I don't like the smaller, tiny waves for it. I want all the waves to kind of be uniform. But I don't have rollers for waves, so I'm just kind of figuring it out. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna steam it, see what it looks like. As far as I know, whenever I've steamed it in the past, the colors haven't bled. If they do, then we may have to choose another cosplay tomorrow. I'm gonna put it inside a bag so it can kind of hold all the heat in a little bit better. Steam it inside the bag and then kind of close up the bag and let it sit until the whole thing cools. So. Bangs out, hair in. Okay. And Have a rubber band. So now I'm just going to wait. The last time I steamed it for a lot longer because I had rollers in the hair. I had to make sure I got around all the rollers. But this is just a simple braid. So I was just trying to make sure I got the braid. I probably should have made the hole like in the bottom of it, but it's also like it's difficult to go up in there because the steam rises and it hurts you. So I don't know, we'll see. I need it to cool like mostly all the way down, because if you take it out now, then you might lose some of the curls. Hey, so it's been, I don't know, probably less than an hour, and it feels cool to the touch. So I'm going to open it up, see what we have. So the ends, I'm gonna show you the ends. The ends I don't love, but I think it'll be okay overall. I have no idea how to smoke this thing. Anywho, yeah, that about does it for the wig styling. Yeah, I kind of just feel it out. I don't have a lot of styling materials here, so I just kind of use what I already have available to me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you like this video and you have a friend who has like a messed up wig, share this video with that friend so they can see how to style their wig. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you have any comments, leave those in the comment section below as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you all. Oh, make sure you hit subscribe if you like this channel. And click on the notification bell so you can get notifications every time I release a new video, because it seems to just be random. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Deuces. Bye. Can you tell that I don't even know.